I know I'm back at Duke's again already, you guys, but my sister's visiting and I wanted her to try this. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be the perfect bite right here. Guys, not gonna lie, I feel a little defeated. I'm getting full. This burger was like extra big today. You guys, I'm with my sisters. They're beefing in the background. Make sure you go watch my YouTube video to see the behind the scenes. The girls are fighting. Last bite. I don't even know if I can eat my fries, not gonna lie. I got different fries this time. These are Spanish fries. They have jalapeno and grilled onions in them. Where's my drink? I fired my old drink. Man, I might need to bring him back, you guys. That's enough.
You're fine.
See what happened? This is why I don't try new people. I'm gonna have to bring back the old hand. That was my sister, you guys.